Hey y'all, I built myself a film scanner. I mean, it's based on design by somebody else, but I actually modified it heavily. This is my own design, this part, with my own feed reels, and so I can handle the large reels that I've got. I wrote my own software doing it, and it's ticking along, capturing the frames one after the other. I'm using the usual 12 megapixel high resolution Raspberry Pi camera with the macro lens, and I've got a Raspberry Pi 4, I think it is, and I'm using a M.2 drive inside one of these little cable cases, and got spring tension on the lever arm here that holds the film, and it's ticking away quite nicely. Down here I'm up to 684 frames, and it lines up very quickly, and then I'm going to stabilize it later, obviously. But yeah, that's where I've been up to. I thought it'd be pretty cool to share that, but it looks pretty cool.